Hello everyone, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on getting your FINZAR presets to work. So, if you click the link and get your free assets, you should see the FINZAR subtitles PRFP set, and I would recommend you download it individually, because I know a lot of you might just download all of them and then extract it. For whatever reason, that has not been working for a lot of people, and I tried it once and it didn't work. So, by any luck, if you can just download this by itself, all I'm doing is clicking and right-clicking and hitting download, it should pop up. Now, if you are still getting the .xml file, this comes from one of our viewers, Mr. Shake. Thank you so much. This has already helped a few people in the comments, so let's go ahead and walk through it. So on my files, you can see this is what you want the icon to show up as, and the extension is .prfp set. And as you can see next to it, I have a downloaded one that I extracted, and it is an XML file. So to change this, we're going to do what Mr. Shake said. So he says, for those getting the extension, go to the search in taskbar. So I'm going to go down, hit my search, and then search folder options, file explorer options. We're going to click that. All right, I'm going to hit the view tab. I'm going to uncheck hide extension for unknown file types. So I already unchecked it, but yours will be checked, so let's just uncheck that. Hit apply and click OK. And now you go to your file, right click. We're going to rename the extension. So in this case, we want the PRFP set, so I'm just going to delete that. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. Since I already have it the same, I'm just going to click yes. And there it is. Now you have your preset. And now I'll show you how to put it in your project. To get your FINZAR preset in your project and to save it, we want to go ahead and pull up our effects panel. You can also get there from Window and hit Effects. And while we're in here, we're going to hover over the effects word with your cursor, and then I'm going to right click and hit import preset. All right, and then I'm going to go find my FINZAR preset. Once I find my FINZAR preset, just click it and hit open. And now in your effects panel, you can search Fin, and you should have these Fin text presets, and you will be able to use these 7. These are all fantastic presets that are now available for you to use. And then make sure that you Control S or Command S to save your project so your presets are now in there. Hope this helps.